Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So good news po ito sa lahat ng mga seafarer. Ngayong araw nito, meron po tayong pag-uusapan tungkol po ito sa PSSR certificate na sinabi po nila before na po, tayo po ay mandatory na kukuha ng PSSR certificate. So ngayon po, according to Marina Release Advisory, ito po ay clarification lang ni Marina, no? Clarifying BT, PSSR, and revised basic training implementation. The Manila Industry Authority has released a new advisory clarifying the implementation of the updating on basic training, personal safety and social responsibility of BT, PSSR, and the revised basic training for Filipino seafarers. So according to Marina, seafarers holding with a valid certificate of proficiency COP in basic training may continue boarding vessels until the certificate's validity expires. So, pwede pa po tayo makasampa ng barko kahit hindi pa expire yung ating COP at wala pa tayong PSSR certificate. However, they are required to complete the BT PSSR certificate training together with other requirements prior to applying for revalidation of their COP. So, yun po, meron po si Marina na bagong update dito at nagkaroon po sila ng press conference. So, panoorin muna natin para po tayo ay maliwanagan.
Are on board vessels prior to the effectivity of the advisory. This advisory took effect in October 14, 2025, shall be required to undergo the updating training on BTP-SSR before their next embarkation or prior to their application for the revalidation of their COP-BT. That is provision number 3 of the Marina Advisory 2025-40. Doon nagkakaroon ng confusion yung mga on-board. Pagbaba nila, syempre magbabakasyon tapos imagine sasabihin, ay mag-updating ka muna bago magpunta sa kanyang pamilya. Diba? Nakakainis. Hindi pa. So may option po kayo, yung mga on-board nung October, at ngayon of course may mga bumaba ngayon, nagbakasyon at nagpasko sa pamilya, pwede po kayong mag-take ng updating before kayo mag-next embarkation or, napakalaki, or prior to your application for the revalidation of your COP-BT. So kung hindi pa po kayo mag-revalidate, ang revalidation is 5 years, no? So kung meron pa kayong 4 years before revalidation, by 4 years pa kayo pwedeng mag-chill at saka na kayo kumuha ng updating. Ito yung confusion na nangyayari. Nagmamandatory ka agad. Of course, yung mga new, kailangan nyo na bago kayo sumampa nitong ngayon, no? New seafarers, new na nag-take or may BT na pero wala pang COP. Diba? So, kailangan na ng updating. Of course, yung mga totally new seafarers, nung kinuha nyo yung BT nyo, kasama na doon yung updating PSSR.
So yun po, klarong-klaro po yung sinabi ni Marina Administrator Sonia Malaluan sa kanilang press conference. So lahat po ng mga seafarers with valid COP certificate, pwede pa po tayo maka-onboard na ship kahit wala pa tayong PSSR certificate. So according to seafarers who are holders of a valid basic training certificate of proficiency, BT COP are still allowed to onboard a ship according to Marina, and are not required to take the basic training updating PSSR at this time. So good news po yan sa lahat ng mga seafarer. So hindi na po tayo maagbala or magkaroon ng agam-agam tungkol po sa ating certificate, PSSR certificate, para po makasampa ng barko. So hanggang dito na lang po ang aking YouTube channel. Kung kayo po ay may natutunan sa aking YouTube channel, please click the notification bell and subscribe. Bye-bye!
I gave you my heart.